back to my channel. So here we are on my patio garden again, and today I am going to be harvesting some lettuce. Now this is my first time growing or harvesting lettuce, so it's kind of still an experiment, but I thought I would take you guys along so you can watch how I do it. And this is the lettuce. It's a salad bowl mix lettuce. This one is looking a lot lighter in color. It's getting kind of translucent almost on the outer leaves, and I think I maybe let it go too long before harvesting, but we're gonna find out. This is the same exact kind, but this one is a lot darker. It looks a lot healthier than the other one. But anyways, I'm going to try the cut and come again method, I believe it's called, where I'm just going to get the leaves off and leave the actual root in the crown of the plant and see if it will continue to produce. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'm just going to pull the leaves off at the base. They snap off pretty easily. And I'm going to leave these at the top, just like that. I feel like this plant is not going to taste very good, but I'm still going to pull them off and try it, and also hope that this one will continue to produce. And once the leaves get big enough, I will just be sure to harvest it a lot sooner. This one I'm going to toss. Alright, so there's that. I'm just going to leave those little ones at the top. They're pretty small. This one maybe not. Alright, so now that we have harvested all of that lettuce, I'm just going to go ahead and fertilize both of these really well. This is the one that I got just on Amazon, Dr. Earth. It's an organic one, handcrafted blend, specifically for tomato, vegetable, and herbs. And yeah, promotes hardy root development and vigorous crop growth. It seems to work really well. I obviously don't have a lot to compare it to because this is the first fertilizer I've used, but that is one organic one that you can find on Amazon if you're looking for a fertilizer. So let's go ahead and get these ones fertilized. So you'll definitely want to read the directions on the back before you use it if you get this one, but I'm just going to show you how I usually do it, how I have been doing it. I do it in the morning before I water, just so that I can water and help push it more farther in and mix it up a little bit. But I just take a little bit in my hand and I sprinkle it around the base of the plant. And then I just try to kind of move the dirt, just kind of till it up a little bit with my fingers. And then I will give it a nice water. But not too much because it's in a pot. I'm going to be doing a video soon about the things I've learned so far with gardening this year. And that should be pretty good to go. Alright you guys, thank you for hanging out with me and watching me cut this little baby salad. I hope it was helpful. I know it's still an experiment for me, but just seeing other people being able to grow their own food can be really inspiring. So I hope this was inspiring to you, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye guys!